Keeping turf grass green and healthy can often be challenging. From disease and pest control to proper hydration and fertilization, there are many factors that can impact the health of your lawn. The best way to approach the care of your turf is to have a regular maintenance program. To help you get on track, here are a few things to consider when putting your plan together. The first is soil composition. It's important to understand what type of soil you have as well as the nutrient levels it contains. This is critical to choosing the correct fertilization and watering programs. A soil test is an easy way to figure out the type and quantity of nutrients your turf is lacking so you can fertilize more effectively. Also, knowing the composition of your soil will help you to water more efficiently. Since clay-rich soils take considerably longer to absorb water than a soil with high sand content, this information will help you decide which sprinkler heads and nozzles are best suited for the situation, as well as how long and often you should irrigate. For example, if you have a very dense clay soil, you may need to use the cycle and soak method of watering. This means you will run short irrigation cycles with some soak time in between to give the water a chance to leach into the soil before the next cycle begins. If your soil consists predominantly of sand, your run times will probably be a little shorter, but you will need to irrigate more frequently. Irrigation practices are also based on ambient temperatures and grass types. In a hot, dry climate, evapotranspiration can affect how and when you water. And since some grass varieties are more drought tolerant than others, the species of turf you are maintaining will also have an impact on how much water it will require to thrive. Choosing the correct fertilizer is another key component in maintaining healthy turf. As I mentioned earlier, performing a soil test will help take the guesswork out of knowing what type and amount of nutrients your soil is lacking. When you fertilize, always follow the manufacturer's instructions and calibrate your spreader beforehand to ensure proper coverage. Finally, one of the more common reasons for stressed turf is a result of mowing the grass too short. How tall you should keep the lawn very much depends on the species. If you have warm season grasses such as Bermuda, St. Augustine, or Zoysia, the mowing heights vary from 1 to 2 inches. If you have cool season grasses such as fescue, bluegrass, or ryegrass, those need to be kept a little longer, anywhere from 2 to 4 inches. In either case, it's always a good idea to mow your grass on the tall side. Longer blades mean deeper roots, and deeper roots mean a healthier turf that will be more resistant to disease and pests like weeds and insects. Once the grass grows a third longer than the desired height, it's time to mow. Keep in mind that you never want to remove more than 1/3 of the canopy in any one mowing. Following a regular maintenance plan will greatly improve your chance of having a green and healthy lawn. If you'd like to learn more about turf maintenance and other landscape and irrigation topics, sign up for one of our live seminars. More information can be found on our website at ewingirrigation.com.